Hey Tech fam, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is finally here and everyone is asking, is this the ultimate Android flagship? But hold on guys, before you rush to pre-order, I have spent days digging into the expert reviews and the real users feedback to give you the unfiltered truth. Let's break down what's hot and what's not and whether this phone is worth your cash. First, how do I know what's actually good about this phone? Simple, I combine tech experts hands-on review with real users experiences from early testers from Google. Expert give us specs and lab tests, but user tell us how it feels day to day. So let's connect the dots. First we will discuss about positive points. First one is design wins. This phone is lighter and slimmer than last year's Ultra with rounded corners that finally make it comfy to hold. Users love the titanium build and bigger 6.9-inch screen. Tech nerds confirm that Samsung's new anti-glare coating that is genius for sunny days. Second one is a camera beast mode. That's the 50 megapixel ultra wide lenses. Experts say it's a game changer for macros and wide shots. Users are obsessed with features like audio eraser that is bye bye to background noises and beast face for group selfies. And what about low light videos? Those are crispy clean. Third point is the AI magic. Samsung Galaxy AI isn't just a hype. Real users show me how Circle to Search instantly identifies songs or translate text. Now gives you a daily digest of your schedule, weather, and even sport scores. It's like having a personal assistant glued to your lock screen. Fourth point is a speed demon. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip that is really blazing fast. Gamers, multitaskers, this thing won't lag. Even after hours of editing 8K videos, users say it stay cool. What about battery life? 8% drain after heavy use. That is a really good performance. So now we will discuss about negative point. First one is where is the S Pen Bluetooth. Samsung removed the S Pen's remote shutter and air gestures. Users who love using it as a selfie remote, major sad faces for them. Second one is AI can feel gimmicky. Cool features like generative AI wallpaper. Some say it's a fun but not essential. One user joke I would trade AI for faster charger. Third one is same old charging speed. 45-watt wire charging. Competitors like Xiaomi are hitting 120 watt. So if you are impatient, this might bug you. Fourth one is price tag shock. At $1,300, this phone isn't cheap. If you are rocking an S24 Ultra, experts say upgrades are minor. Maybe wait for sale. So who's this phone for? First one is content creator. The camera and audio eraser that's are gold. You will love it. Samsung diehards fans, if you are deep into the ecosystem, the AI integration is slick. Upgraders from S22 or older. The leap in the performance and design will blow you away. But if you are on an S24 Ultra or hate big phones, save your cash. This isn't must-have upgrade. The S25 Ultra isn't a perfect, but it's a powerhouse for Android lovers. Samsung nailed the essentials. Better design, killer camera, and the AI that actually helps. But should you buy it? Depend on your budget and how much you value those upgrades. That's it guys for today's video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.